Do you have too much gear laying around? Turn it into a Tree Stuff gift card. Start by taking detailed pictures of the product. Log into your account on treestuff.com. Click on Luke's Floor Manager, then Add Item. Enter the name of your product, then choose a website category. Enter your starting price and choose whether you'd like that price to drop each day and by how much. You can also enter the minimum price you'll accept for your product. Tell us where you're shipping from and include an optional shipping charge. Add your photos and clearly describe your product and any marks, wear, or missing pieces. Now you're ready to list. Just hit submit and it'll be online once it's approved, ready for someone to buy. Ship your product and receive your treestuff.com gift card.